Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a reputable gaming VPN that supports UDP and has nearby servers. This reduces latency. Install the desktop client, sign in, and allow any network permissions. Once done, disable IPv6 on your adapter and quit heavy apps, streaming, torrenting, cloud backup, so they don't steal bandwidth. Make sure Riot Vanguard compatibility is allowed by the VPN. Next, verify your account region details so you don't accidentally change matchmaking regions when you connect. Now you configure the VPN for gaming. Connect to the lowest ping server available, preferably in the country you normally play, and confirm the client uses UDP. Enable split tunneling and add Valorant and Riot client to the tunnel so only game traffic goes through the VPN, which keeps latency lower. If your router requires it, forward or open Riot ports. This helps stable NAT and matchmaking. Finally, run a quick ping test to the game server. Adjust servers if spikes remain. With the VPN connected, launch Riot Client and then Valorant. You should see your expected region and stable latency. Observe in-game ping and packet loss. If numbers are good, play. If you hit errors, first disable and re-enable the VPN, flush DNS, and restart the client. Make sure Vanguard runs. Some VPNs require trusted network settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if matchmaking fails or ping spikes, switch to the next closest server and rerun the port and UDP checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.